This is a very basic student management system, and it's designed according to the specifications mentioned in the midterm documents. I'll take you to the different features of this system. Let's first um, go to the student records. Um, Before I'll take you to the different features of the take you through the different features of the system, I'll first briefly discuss about the, the framework and the architecture of the system. The system is designed onto the uh, Python Flask framework and is built on the MVC architecture. So we are requesting different endpoints and we are getting a response in return. So whenever we request a particular endpoint, it retrieves the data from the database and return that particular data in a very structured form in the form of HTML data tables, and it format or structure that response and return that uh, response to the user agent or the browser. So right now, like for example, over here we have requested the student slash all endpoint, and it has returned us the data of all of the students we have in the system. At first I have seeded some of the students into the database, and I have seeded two of the students, Smith and Brown. So that's why we are seeing them over here. So the this table is showing up the name, number, and class and major of the students, and the students are actually interactable. If we like click on any of the students, we can go into the going we can get into the student record of that particular student. So for example, over here it's showing up the courses the student is taking, the sections he's uh, registered into, the instructors who's teaching him, and the credit hours, the year, grade, and etc. So if if we look at the courses, they are also interactable. If we click at any of the course, it takes us to the course information page where it'll show the information regarding that course, the many credit hours of or uh, uh, that particular course has, how many credit hours that particular course has, which department this course belongs to, and if that particular course has any kind of prerequisites. So it gives us the information regarding a particular course. So if we go over here, so both of these courses doesn't have any kind of prerequisites. So these are basic, very basic uh, courses. And if we look at the instructor we have, they are also interactable. If we click at any of the instructor, it takes us to the instructor page where we get the information about the instructor, the course he's teaching, the section he's teaching, and the year of the batch year of that class. Let's go to the home page again. Here we have courses. These are all the courses we are available in our database. And if we click at any of the course, it takes us to the course information page, like over here, as I showed this page earlier. This gives us information regarding the course and if it has any prerequisite. This one got this one doesn't got any kind of prerequisite. And if we go to the second course, this one has a prerequisite, which is CS 310, which is the Intro to Computer Science course. And if we go to the database course, this one got two prerequisites, and these are the course number of those prerequisites are mentioned over here. And if we go to the instructor, it gives us a list of of all of the instructors we have in our system. And if we click at any of the instructors, it takes us to the instructor information page and gives us the entire information regarding to the particular uh, instructor. So this is a very brief intro of the student management system I have built. If I take you through the different takes you through the architecture, of the system is it's based on Flask, Python Flask framework, and it's MVC based. Like it has models, it has controllers, and views in the form of templates. Um, and I also incorporated the concept of services as well. And I also use the Flask migration libraries to convert all of these models into the uh, into uh, into the using the ORM into the actual SQL queries, DDL queries, and I also seeded some of the initial data into the database, and these are actually the endpoints on which we are uh, on which we are requesting, and they are providing us some kind of a response in return. And so this is pretty much it. Um, this is the output of that system. That's how it looks like.